Hello, my name's Angus Findlay. I run a company called WebAdept. We're based in St David's. The company's been going for 20 odd years, teaching people about digital marketing, which is our speciality. Digital marketing is a really hard environment to work in. It's changing all the time. It's like working on quicksand. So Facebook changes every 4 hours. Us as a company, we help companies understand the processes of digital marketing and how to use social media, content provision, how to work with Google, how to do the understanding of why they need to use videos, and also how to analyze it so therefore they can get more work from their website. The challenges are anyone over the age of 40 doesn't really understand social media. It's a sweeping comment. It's getting MDs and owners of businesses to understand the necessity of using digital marketing. It is a cheaper way of marketing, it's an easier way of monitoring the response or the work that you do is actually having an effect, so you can get return on investment.